Well, I thought I would give an update on my Samsung uh, RF4. It's worked for a long time just to take that defrost terminator that was mounted right here on the side, and then I just mounted it up here. But ultimately, it did freeze up again, and I thought, well, maybe the heater went out. So I hooked the heater up. I took it apart here and went down and hooked it up to 120, and it heated up just fine. So I thought, well, maybe the defrost terminator is not working. So I just jumpered it. I just wire nutted it. Because what that should do is it should open and then break the power to the defrost heater. So it wouldn't be as efficient, but basically it definitely wouldn't ice up. But the heater might be on when it doesn't need to be, because all it's in there for is to sense when there's no more ice. So it still froze up again, and of course, if you don't make sure it all melts out of there before you try to pull all that covering off, that styrofoam always breaks. And my styrofoam is totally shot. So it probably needs a main control board. Something that's not, well, obviously a person should replace the terminator, which Samsung calls it something different. It's like yeah, I can't remember what Samsung calls it, but yeah. So I think I'm just going to buy a new refrigerator, and it's definitely not going to be a Samsung. It's going to be an LG, and I am done with Samsung. I did talk to the Best Buy guy, and he said that Samsung's totally redesigned everything, but fool me once. So I am done. Obviously, Samsung does not think out their engineering and field test it long enough. So I'm going to go with the LG because I've been around some other LG refrigerators, and I've never heard or had any problems. So I think I am done with this refrigerator. Not sure what I'm going to do with it, but it seems sad to have to get rid of it so quickly.